news item that has been baffling the entire country for over 2 months now. Yes, it is the unusual and mysterious death of a young celebrity, a mystery that demands intensive forensic analysis. This clearly elucidates how crucial solving mysteries is in real life. But did you know that maths is the superhero that comes to the rescue of investigating agencies when they are faced with such bewildering mysteries? Perplexed? Let me explain. Imagine that at a crime scene, the police find a gunshot victim on a balcony at a height of exactly 10 meters, and the bullet entered at an angle of 45 degrees. They can find out exactly how far the shooter was standing from the building when he shot the victim. How? Using the amazing and incredible branch of maths called as trigonometry. The tangent of the angle, which is 45 degrees in this case, gives us the ratio of the height of the balcony to the distance at which the shooter was standing from it. As tan of 45 degrees is simply 1, the shooter was standing at a distance of 10 meters from the building. Interesting, isn't it? Who knew that maths could even catch the footprints of vicious criminals? All of us are aware of inverse trigonometric functions, but perhaps we never thought that they have some usage beyond the maths textbooks. They are in fact used to figure out the exact position of the victim at the time of his death. Maths is the heart and soul of blood spatter analysis, in which the shape of the blood droplet is used to find out whether the victim was standing or sitting when he was shot. So, the sign of the angle at which the blood droplet hits the ground is the ratio of its width to its length. By finding out this ratio and taking its sign inverse, we can easily get the angle of impact of the blood droplet. Now, if we trace lines backwards from all the blood droplets, they will converge in a small area known as the area of convergence. We can find out the individual distance of a droplet from the area of convergence. We have the distance and also the angle. We can simply find out the height of the target, that is also the source of blood in this case. And once we found out the height, we can easily find whether the victim was sitting down or standing on the basis of this value. The countless applications of maths do not just end here. Storage and transmission of fingerprints also take place in the form of sine waves. Why exactly, you may ask? If fingerprints were transmitted in the form of the color codes of the pixels that make them up, a lot of data and storage would be consumed. But if sine waves are used, then 20% of data and storage is saved. And if these sine waves are superimposed, then the exact fingerprint can be recreated once again. Well, all thanks to maths. You see, maths is a language with which the universe has been written. It's not just about numbers and computations or algorithms and equations. It in fact has the potential of paving the way for a much better society, possibly devoid of crimes. Thank you.